Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's broadcast. This is Victoria Omini, bringing you a powerful testimony of God's miraculous intervention. During a live 12 noon prayer section on Wednesday, God's power was mightily demonstrated through his servant, Apostle Dr. Bassey Udosen, in what many have described as a remarkable online healing. While ministering live, the Lord showed Apostle Bassey Udosen a revelation concerning a man identified as Mr. Kingsley, who was watching the prayer section all the way from Akwa Ibom State. In the revelation, Apostle Udosen accurately described Mr. Kingsley's condition as kidney failure, a serious health challenge that had greatly affected his life. As the apostle prayed specifically for him during the live broadcast, the power of God moved instantly. According to the testimony received, Mr. Kingsley immediately passed through on the bed, and at that very moment, he experienced a supernatural healing. The condition that had plagued him was reportedly terminated by the power of God, confirming the instant miracle. Watch this.
Powers of God. My life is moving. My life is moving. Amen. Somebody shout fire. Fire. I don't know who you are. I'm seeing you in Akwa Ibom. Say your name is Kingsley. I'm seeing you in Akwa Ibom. Say your name is Kingsley. You had kidney failure. Man, look up. I'm seeing kidney failure. Kidney failure. As I'm speaking right now, Jesus. A new kidney is given to you. Amen. A new kidney is given to you. Amen. I release a new kidney now. Amen. I receive a new kidney. Holy Ghost. I don't know who you are. You have been suffering. You are in the hospital right now. You have been going through dialysis now. You have been going through the hospital. You have sold your property, and you are a pastor. You are a man of God. I don't know who you are hearing me. You are hearing me now as I'm talking to you right now. The power of God is coming on you. The power of God is coming on you. The power of God is coming on you. A new kidney is restored. In 7 days from today, let a new kidney be restored. 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 Receive your healing now. Receive your healing right now. That leg inflammation. Jesus. I'm seeing an inflammation on your legs. Let it dissolve now. Let it dissolve now. Let it dissolve now. Let it dissolve.
This miracle once again affirms that the power of God knows no distance, and that lives can be transformed even through online ministration. Jesus Christ remains the same yesterday, today, and forever. I am Victoria Omini. Thank you for watching.